The Nokia G20 is a smartphone that was released in May 2021. It has a 6.52-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. It runs on Android 11, upgradable to Android 13, and is powered by a MediaTek Helio G35 processor with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB or 128 GB of internal storage. How to replace your Nokia G20 screen in Sydney CBD. Are you in need of a screen replacement for your Nokia G20? Look no further than Sydney CBD Repair Centre, a trusted and highly reputable repair service in the heart of Sydney. With their team of skilled technicians and use of genuine parts, you can trust that your device is in good hands. When it comes to repairing smartphones, the quality of the replacement parts used is crucial. At Sydney CBD Repair Centre, they understand the importance of using genuine parts to ensure the best possible outcome for your device. Rest assured that your Nokia G20 will be outfitted with a high-quality screen that is compatible with all of its features. If you have a cracked or broken screen on your Nokia G20, you might be looking for a reliable and affordable way to fix it. Luckily, there is a place in Sydney CBD that can help you with that. Sydney CBD Repair Centre. One of the key concerns for many customers is maintaining the functionality of their device's features, such as the fingerprint scanner and Face ID. With the screen replacement service at Sydney CBD Repair Centre, you can be confident that these features will not be compromised. The technicians are well versed in working with the Nokia G20 and will ensure that the new screen seamlessly integrates with your device's existing features. In terms of time, the screen replacement process for your Nokia G20 is efficient and can be completed within an estimated time frame of 1.5 hours. This means you can drop off your device and have it back in your hands in no time, allowing you to get back to your daily routine with minimal disruption. Sydney CBD Repair Centre is a team of professional technicians who specialize in repairing Nokia phones and other devices. Conveniently located at Suite 201, Level 2 661st George Street, Haymarket, Sydney CBD Repair Centre is easily accessible for all residents and visitors in the city. They are open from Monday to Friday, from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., and on Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. If you prefer a walk-in repair, their friendly team will be happy to assist you during their business hours. Sydney CBD Repair Centre also offers mail-in repairs for both local and international customers, making it even easier to access their professional services. When it comes to replacing the screen of your Nokia G20, Sydney CBD Repair Centre should be your top choice. With their use of genuine parts, efficient service, compatibility with your device's features, and stellar reputation, you can trust that your device is in the best possible hands. Does Nokia G20 come with screen protector? The Nokia G20 is one of the smartphones released by HMD Global, known for their durable and reliable devices. When it comes to screen protection, it is important to evaluate the specifications and features of the Nokia G20 and consider real-life experiences and expert opinions to determine whether it is equipped with a built-in screen protector. If you own this device, you might be wondering if it comes with a screen protector or not. The answer is no. The Nokia G20 does not come with a pre-installed screen protector. However, you can easily buy one from various online retailers or local stores. There are different types of screen protectors available for the Nokia G20, such as tempered glass, PET film, TPU film and matte film. Each type has its own advantages and disadvantages, depending on your preference and needs. Upon conducting thorough research, it has been determined that the Nokia G20 does not come with a pre-applied screen protector. In contrast to some other smartphones on the market, the Nokia G20 requires additional steps to protect the screen from scratches and damage. Some of the best screen protectors for the Nokia G20 are: Elixir Screen Protector for Nokia G20. This is a tempered glass screen protector that offers 9H hardness, anti-shatter, anti-scratch and anti-fingerprint properties. It also has an oleophobic coating that repels oil and water. It is easy to install and provides high clarity and touch sensitivity. AndroidCentral.com. D-Max Armor Screen Protector for Nokia G20. This is another tempered glass screen protector that provides 9H hardness, 99.99% transparency and bubble-free installation. It also has an anti-fingerprint coating and rounded edges for a smooth feel. WonderfulEngineering.com. EQGG Screen Protector for Nokia G20. This is a PET film screen protector that is thin, flexible and durable. It can resist scratches, dust and fingerprints and has a self-healing feature that can repair minor damages. It also has a matte finish that reduces glare and smudges. Amazon.com. IQ Shield Matte Screen Protector for Nokia G20. This is a TPU film screen protector that is made of military-grade material that can withstand impacts, abrasions and moisture. It has a matte finish that reduces glare and fingerprints and provides HD clarity and touch accuracy. It also has an innovative adhesive that ensures easy installation and removal. Mr. Shield Screen Protector for Nokia G20. This is a tempered glass screen protector that is made of Japan glass with 9H hardness. It can protect your phone from scratches, drops and bumps and has an oleophobic coating that prevents fingerprints and oil stains. It also offers HD clarity and touch sensitivity and comes with a lifetime replacement warranty. Some of the best screen protectors for the Nokia G20 that you can buy online or in stores. However, this doesn't mean that the Nokia G20 lacks screen protection options altogether. Many users opt to apply tempered glass screen protectors, which are available for purchase separately. These tempered glass protectors are specifically designed to withstand impact and prevent screen damage in case of accidental falls or bumps. You can choose the one that suits your budget, preference and needs. Apart from tempered glass protectors, some users may prefer to utilize other screen protection methods. For example, there are liquid screen protectors available in the market that create a thin layer of protection on the screen, filling in microscopic scratches and adding resistance to impact. However, it is important to note that the durability and effectiveness of these liquid screen protectors may vary. To maintain the screen of the Nokia G20 in optimal condition, it is recommended to regularly clean it using a soft microfiber cloth. Avoid using harsh or abrasive cleaners as they may damage the screen. Additionally, it is advised to keep the smartphone away from sharp objects or surfaces that may cause scratches. While the Nokia G20 does not come with a built-in screen protector, there are various options available to protect its screen. The most popular and reliable choice among users is to apply a tempered glass screen protector, offering enhanced protection against scratches and impacts. With careful application and regular maintenance, users can ensure the longevity and optimal condition of their Nokia G20 smartphone screen.